I am Maharlika. Magandang araw mga kamaharlakan, naway nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at maayos na pangangatawan.
Okay, so we are here just to continue our little chat, but I'd like Queen Jack to be able to give her wonderful moments with us. We're so blessed to have you here today. So thank you, Queen.
Thank you very much, Princess Maya and Princess Rada and Princess Alana, who just left a while ago. I really appreciate because, this is the way of the spontaneousness of our conversation that we are trying to impart to the world. Very good and important way of messaging, giving them the opportunity to discover that there is indeed the queen that loves them, that would want to share with them the new life, the new generation way of existing into this global earth. And I really appreciate our way of doing it, Princess Maya, Princess Rada. So I know that everyone really waiting for us all the time. They would ask me, but since this is September 16, 2024, this is very relevant in some sense that there are laws to be corrected, to be done, and to be repealed. And we know that this is the way how to rectify the mistake of the past leaders of this world, especially the matrilineal countries. So I know that for 1 year, we have made some steps trying to feel the ground, trying to see, discover more things, what is happening and what we can do to help the new generation in the golden age. So this is our time. And with you around there, I hope that we can proceed very much in this mission. And thank you.
Yes. Rada, do you have something to say?
Yes, I just wanted to say how much we honor and appreciate you, Queen Helen, and all the courage that it takes to stand for what you stand for all of us and all of humanity. I know it's the hardest job ever. And sometimes it's, uphill, but I just want to say thank you, your beautiful heart, your courage, the love that you are is it inspires me and it inspires all of us. So I just wanted to say thank you for being divinely who you are. Thank you.
Thank you and welcome.
And next time, there's a beautiful person that I would like to introduce to. She's a teacher and she likes to protect the little people. So we could talk about that in the next week when we get together, because I feel like, what you said earlier, Queen, was so beautiful, how the next generation needed to be in alignment with the highest purpose that they came here for. I'm just kind of regrouping our thoughts towards that, and this is all for them. So, you're here
you.
as a queen.
Thank you, Princess Maya. This is an avenue. People thought that this is just for us. No, this is becoming a very viral procedure to the entire world because this hit them. Now, all of those airing officials, all of this, it's not that to attack them. It is the way that this is the love of a woman, the love of the mother, to bring them back to the right path. And that is our goal, to bring them back. So if they have committed that, then, they have to do something before it's too late, where injustice will be the one to put them into, severest punishment. That's the one. So I know, and I really appreciate you too. Thank you very much, Princess Rada, Princess Maya.
Thank you. Until next time, much love.